No, I have a heat. I put a heat.
Alright. Jeez, everything. Whole house.
She's not going by herself. She's scared.
Yeah.
She's riding there. She's scared when she died.
Huh?
So I met her right away.
His wife is it with his with your daughters? She's at
Yes,
your
it
daughters?
was my daughter go to work. Her husband go to work. She's by herself. Kids
by
go to
herself?
school. That's why I go right now. Pick her up and lay down here. It was before I have it heat.
So
Oh, you
now
just
And
got
the
now
guys
heat?
come in with the generator and I have a furnace, everything's going, gas, and I have a heat.
Awesome.
Good.
I was supposed to put electric today.
Okay.
Then I have to put a new floors, no carpetings, and put a wood.
Do you have flood insurance?
No, nothing. Nothing.
Was your washer and dryers okay?
I don't know, honey. I never tried it.
How far did the water come up here?
It's not right here. It's not rich electric.
Okay, good.
So far,
This all dried out okay?
it looks like, you know.
Yeah. I hope so.
But I think that water is coming here up and go down.
So what are you doing in the basement?
Okay?
Are you just cleaning stuff out right now?
That's only clean a little bit. It has to become, you know, with solution or everything. I don't know anything yet. That's it.
Right, right.
Oh,
So you
yeah.
have, what do you use to clean it?
Well, you bring it to me. You bring
Yeah,
me a lot.
you have it?
Come on, I'll show you basement. That's the dancing here. Party, bar over here. Dancing floor.
Wow.
80 people sit over there.
Beautiful house.
Drop
It really is.
ceiling I had at the
You
walls.
ripped all this stuff out just in this
Yeah.
past couple of
But
weeks?
we have like this sand. That sand is all
Oh, that sand across the street came out of the basement.
That's all mine. Oh.
How
I
big
know I
is-
have like 30 people.
So all the water came all the way up here, right?
all the way
All the
up.
way up to the top.
And go to first floor. I have it here, see? What happened here? The pump working. And I think with a lot of pressure, this all the way up. They all broke down. And I have to call the